Good evening, friends. This is Somalika once again. My today's topic is Vishwabharati University. Vishwabharati, the famous university founded by Rabindranath Tagore at Shantiniketan in West Bengal, has always remained in the limelight of controversy regarding different issues. Nowadays, Vishwabharati is in the news highlight due to the anxiety between the local people and the university authority. It happened for the first time in the history of Vishwabharati that the VC announced to bring an end of the legendary fair Poush Mela, which was started by the Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore's father, Maharshi Debendranath Tagore. In the morning of 17th August, a huge mob came with a payloader and broke the gate near the fairground, which was probably built just a year ago. They started scattering the construction materials and they destroyed the makeshift tent in the fairground, which was temporarily built to supervise the construction of a boundary wall around the Poush Mela ground. Though the Poush Mela festival is held and conducted by university itself, but the participants in the fair are mainly the local people. Mainly the local handicraft shopkeepers are the participants of the fair. So if the Poush Mela is cancelled forever, then a big amount of local people will lose their source of. It's really not a matter of bread and butter of the locals. Poush Mela and Poush Mela ground holds an emotional value in the minds of all Bengalis, be it the student of Shantiniketan, or the locals, or Bengalis outside Shantiniketan. Everyone is closely related, closely connected with the Poush Mela. The Vice Chancellor Bidyut Chakrabarti had announced a year before that the Poush Mela ground, along with the other territory of Vishwabharati, should be enclosed with boundary wall to ensure the security of the students and to avoid illegal occupancy. But according to the locals, they can't even think of occupying it illegally, as to them the Poush Mela ground is a place of worship and a source of bread and butter. Both the students and the locals are worried that if the Poush Mela ground once gets enclosed with the boundary wall, probably never again the Poush Mela will take place. Manushi Rai, an ex-student of Vishwabharati, has written a fair and detailed article regarding this issue on her FB page. According to Manushi Rai, Mr. Bidyut Chakrabarti first wanted to enclose the Poush Mela ground in the name of permission from Green Bench. But after the protest from the local people and after the violence of 17th August 2020, in a press conference, Mr. Bidyut Chakrabarti allegedly condemned the Poush Mela ground for being used for indecent and illegal activity. He never thought twice before making such this kind of allegation, and this way he has hurt the emotions of all the Bengalis who are closely connected with the tradition of Poush Mela. Isn't it ridiculous that Mr. Bidyut Chakrabarti, who has a shameful past of his own, has shown the audacity to degrade the glory of Shantiniketan by making some negative and shameful remarks in public? Now actually it has become a battle between the state government Trinamool and Modi government BJP. PM Modi has declared Vishwabharati closed for indefinite days until things get better. So let's hope for the best, and let's hope that our Poush Mela will for every year be held like before. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share and subscribe.